In front of me is Cubot King Kong Mini free, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access passwords and accounts. Then click on this gear next to Google under Autofill service and tap on Google Password Manager. Following that, select any password that you wish to edit and enter your current login method. Then click on Edit button next to the delete one and change wherever you want to. When you finished, hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, my password has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!